Hello, we're Securely, the student safety company. In today's digital age, cyberbullying, suicide ideation, and threats of violence are more prevalent than ever for students, which is why a comprehensive solution that protects students at school, at home, and online is important now more than ever. Since 2013, Securely has been advocating that message through every single solution we put in the hands of educators. From an intelligent content filter that flags negative sentiment, the sentiment analysis of Google services, providing schools a 24/7 live monitoring and alert system, parental engagement enablement, anonymous ways for students to reach out for help, and much, much more. Today, we'll be showing an example of how a single student's activity is created, alerted, and reported on. This will showcase Securely's industry-leading artificial intelligence algorithm. We've found that students reach out for help in so many different ways. There is no one-size-fits-all, which is why it's incredibly important that we provide solutions to help monitor what students are searching for online, the types of sites they're visiting, and what they're sharing on social networking. This student made a troubling keyword search on Google, navigated to the suicide prevention hotline, and then made their way to a social networking site to reach out for help. We also monitor a school's Google services, so if a student reaches out on a more personal level, such as in this example, we're able to flag these too. In the next example, you'll see how those previously shown surfing activities were presented to the Securely admin. Securely builds world-class student safety solutions, designed to make it extremely easy to delegate reporting and alerting access throughout your organization. Last year, we released a 24/7 live monitoring solution called 24, staffed by mental health professionals. This team allows school administrators to breathe easier knowing someone is reviewing the severity of their students' alerts even at 3 a.m. We also introduced Tipline, which provides ways for students to anonymously report bullying, self-harm, or pending violence. Finally, we've been a pioneer in the industry when it comes to engaging parents through reporting. Last year, we released a brand new iOS Android app which allows parents to receive real-time push notifications for flagged events, view real-time reporting, pause the internet for at-home devices, and even control how that device is filtered in the home. To find out more, please visit us at securely.com/ISTE.